you're mass drilling.
We pretty much smooth every firewall anyway, so if we do that, it's just...
Yeah, so they're exposed. So obviously, you put it up there, mark it, take it down. If you want to stud it, we give you studs. Stud it, tack it, slide it on, nut it on, you're done. So instead of fabricating a bracket to come from here to here to here, there's no need to do that anymore.
And then it looks like everything comes straight out instead of having to use all the layers.
Right, so the reason why all of our systems come out to the side is it gives you the ability to hide the hoses if you want to.
We generally use these down here. We usually use the bulkhead connectors.
Right.
Just because they look cool.
Perfect. Yep. And so we have, obviously we have different shapes and sizes. Individual. If you want to put them individually.
So you can just put individual, yeah?
Yeah, so if you don't want to do something big fancy like a lot of times, you have to go into Exactly. So now you can put one here, here. Whatever kind of works for you when you're laying out your hoses, go for it.